Have you ever found yourself in a tight spot, wondering how to secure a makeshift shelter, tie down gear, or save yourself in an emergency? Welcome to our ultimate guide on essential knots for survival. In today's video, we're diving into the world of knots, unraveling their secrets, and showing you how mastering just a few key techniques can make a huge difference in critical situations. From the versatile bowline knot to the sturdy clove hitch, we'll break down each knot's unique uses and demonstrate step by step how to tie them correctly. Whether you're an outdoor enthusiast, a seasoned survivalist, or just curious about practical skills, this video is packed with valuable information that could come in handy when you least expect it. Ready to become a knot tying pro? Let's get started. Bowline knot. The bowline knot is an essential knot for creating a secure, fixed loop at the end of a rope. Known for its reliability, it's often used in rescue operations, sailing, and climbing. The bowline is easy to tie and untie, even after bearing a heavy load, making it a favorite among survivalists and outdoor enthusiasts. To tie it, form a small loop, pass the rope's end through the loop, around the standing part, and back through the loop. Despite its simplicity, the bowline is incredibly strong and won't slip, ensuring your safety and security in critical situations. The bowline knot's design ensures it remains a staple in various applications due to its strength and stability. It's widely used in scenarios where a reliable loop is crucial, such as securing loads, creating anchor points, or attaching ropes to objects. Its unique structure guarantees that the loop size remains constant, which is vital for maintaining control and security. Whether you're navigating the high seas, scaling rock faces, or managing gear, the bowline knot's reliability provides peace of mind. Its easy-to-learn technique and robust performance make it a go-to knot for both seasoned experts and beginners alike, reinforcing its status as a must-have knot in any toolkit. Square knot. The square knot, also known as the reef knot, is a simple and versatile knot used for binding. It's formed by tying two overhand knots in succession, with the second knot being tied in the opposite direction to the first. This knot is particularly effective for joining two ropes of equal thickness or for securing packages, bandages, and sails. The square knot is easy to tie and untie, making it a go-to choice in many situations. However, it's important to note that it's not the most secure knot for critical loads, as it can slip under pressure. Clove hitch. The clove hitch is a versatile and essential knot, perfect for securing a rope to a post, tree, or another object. It's quick to tie and easily adjustable, making it ideal for situations where you need to fasten something temporarily or in a hurry. The knot consists of two simple loops that cross over each other, creating a strong hold that won't slip under tension. Whether you're setting up a tent, securing a boat, or creating a makeshift shelter in the wild, the clove hitch is a reliable choice, providing both strength and simplicity in one easy-to-tie knot. Figure 8 knot. The figure 8 knot is a fundamental knot known for its strength and security, widely used in climbing and sailing. It creates a secure stopper knot at the end of a rope, preventing it from slipping through equipment or other knots. To tie it, make a loop in the rope, pass the working end around the standing part, and then back through the loop. The resulting knot resembles the number 8, giving it its name. This knot is also the foundation for the figure 8 follow-through, which is essential for tying into a harness. It's reliable, easy to inspect, and untie after use. Sheet bend. The sheet bend is a versatile and essential knot for joining two ropes of different thicknesses or materials. It's particularly useful in survival situations where you might need to extend the length of a rope using whatever materials are available. The sheet bend creates a secure, reliable connection that holds well under tension, yet it's easy to untie when needed. To tie it, form a loop in the thicker rope, then pass the end of the thinner rope through the loop, around both parts of the loop, and tuck it under itself. This knot is crucial for any adventurer's toolkit. Taut line hitch. The taut line hitch is a versatile knot essential for creating adjustable tension in ropes. It's particularly useful for securing tents, tarps, or other gear where the rope's length needs to be adjusted frequently. The knot slides easily along the rope when not under load, allowing you to tighten or loosen it as needed. Once tension is applied, the taut line hitch holds firmly in place, making it ideal for situations where the environment might change, such as in varying weather conditions. This knot is a must-know for campers, sailors, and anyone needing reliable, adjustable support in the outdoors. Timber hitch. The timber hitch is a versatile and reliable knot primarily used for hauling or dragging logs and other heavy objects. Simple yet effective, the timber hitch excels in securing a rope to a cylindrical object like a log, making it indispensable for outdoor tasks such as moving timber or securing loads. To tie a timber hitch, start by wrapping the rope around the object, then loop the working end around the standing part of the rope. Next, twist the working end around itself 3 or more times, forming a coil that grips the object tightly when pulled. This knot's beauty lies in its ability to tighten under load yet remain easy to untie when no longer needed. The timber hitch is ideal for bushcraft, forestry, and even maritime tasks where secure, non-slip binding is crucial. Its simplicity and strength make it a must-know knot for survivalists and outdoors enthusiasts. Trucker's hitch. The trucker's hitch is an essential knot for anyone needing to secure heavy loads with maximum tension. It's widely used in hauling, camping, and survival situations because of its ability to create a pulley system with the rope, allowing you to cinch down and tightly secure cargo, tents, or gear. The knot involves tying a fixed loop in the rope, such as a figure 8 or overhand loop, and then threading the rope through the load or an anchor point. By pulling the free end of the rope through the loop, you can apply significant force to tighten the line, similar to a block and tackle system. Once the desired tension is achieved, the knot is secured with a half hitch or two. The trucker's hitch is reliable and easy to untie, making it a go-to knot for anyone needing to secure items tightly and efficiently. Prusik knot. The Prusik knot is an essential tool for climbers and rescue professionals. This knot is used to create a friction hitch that grips the rope, allowing for secure ascent or descent. To tie a Prusik knot, loop a smaller rope around a larger rope and pass it through itself, forming a slip knot. When weight is applied, the knot tightens, gripping the rope firmly. This knot is crucial for climbing and rappelling, providing a reliable method for ascending a rope or creating a secure anchor. It can also be used in rescue situations to create a self-locking system. Its ability to adjust and hold under tension makes it versatile and effective in various scenarios. Properly tying and using the Prusik knot ensures safety and control in challenging environments. Practice regularly to master this vital knot for your climbing or survival toolkit. Water knot. The water knot, also known as the tape knot, is essential for joining 2 ends of webbing or straps securely. It's commonly used in climbing, canyoneering, and water rescues. To tie the water knot, start by overlapping the ends of the webbing. Create a simple overhand knot with the first end, then thread the second end through the knot in the opposite direction. Pull both ends tight to secure the knot. The water knot creates a flat, secure connection that resists slipping under pressure. It's ideal for tasks requiring strong, reliable bonds, such as creating harnesses or attaching gear. Always ensure the knot is dressed neatly and tightly to prevent any slippage or failure. The water knot is easy to tie and untie, making it a practical choice for both beginners and experienced outdoor enthusiasts. Thank you for watching our guide on essential survival knots. We hope you found these demonstrations helpful and informative for your outdoor adventures. Mastering these knots can make a significant difference in critical situations, ensuring you're prepared and safe. If you enjoyed the video and learned something new, please give us a thumbs up. Your support helps us create more valuable content. Don't forget to share this video with friends and fellow adventurers who could benefit from these essential skills. For more survival tips, outdoor gear reviews, and exciting content, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss an update. We're always here to help you stay prepared and confident in any situation. Thanks again for joining us, and we'll see you in the next video.